Today I'm part of Dust Bros, and I'm trying to find some dust out of my Nintendo, so let's get started. Okay, so first up is the first Joy-Con. Let's check out the SL and SR buttons. Okay, oh, I found some dust. Okay, so I have to... There. Now let's check out the Joy-Con himself. Okay, there's something in the Joy-Con. So we have to... Okay, summon the Joy-Cons. There. There. Okay, let's check out now the back. Okay. Now let's check out the blue Joy-Con. I already found some dust right here. Okay, I found some on the SL and SR button. And the back looks pretty much... I can see some dust right about. Now for the Joy-Con, there is some. Now let's check out this. So first up is the screen. Okay. Okay, let's just wipe that off. Now for the back. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of dust. Are you a Nintendo console? Now for the sides. There's some right here, and we're done. I can insert this right to here, and insert this right here, and it's pretty much clean. Check it out.